Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see filtering and sorting data in Looker. So, okay, so let's start the demo now. So, filtering and sorting data in Looker. I'm going to click this Qwiklab link. So, this is it is opening right now. So, you can see it, friends, right now. So, I am changing the language to English, and I have logged into that with my Gmail ID, Google Gmail ID. So, we are going to start the lab now. So, before that, we will see. So, in this demo, we are going to use Looker to query sorted and filtered data, create looks, and add them to a dashboard. For this demo, an explorer of the Federal Aviation Administration's FAA airport data has been created for us. This dataset contains information on different attributes of airports such as a city, date of commission, facility type, etc. So we are going to do this demo. So in this demo, one second. Yeah, in this demo, we are going to learn how to work with dimensions and filters to select and filter data. Then we are going to create table visualizations on sorted and filtered data. And next, we are going to save, explore queries as looks. And finally, we are going to add looks to a dashboard. Okay. So they have given the explanation about the Looker. What is a Looker? It's a modern data platform in Google Cloud. We can let's us analyze and visualize our data interactively. Okay, so let's start the demo now. I'm going to start the lab right now. I'm not a robot. Select all squares with crosswalks. Select all squares with bicycles. So like this only we will be getting. Okay. Yeah, friends. So the lab has been started right now. So we need to do that. Okay, fine. Okay, let's start the lab demo. Okay, now we need to click this open looker, and we need to copy this credentials, username, and yeah, username, and I will copy the password and enter it here, and just select it. Select this tick mark, stay logged in, and click login. Let's wait for it. Okay, loading our organization's folders. Okay, fine. Okay, now it came now. So next step, working with dimensions and filters. In this section, we will find the number of flights that were cancelled each week in the year 2004 and display the resulting data points in the line chart. Okay, fine. We are going to see these things only. In the Looker navigation menu, click Explore. So just click Explore here. Left side, we have the Explore button. Just click it. And here we need to select the FAA. And here, next is, okay. Under FAA, click Flights. Okay, second, we need to go to the under FAA. Just click Flights. I will be going fast, then you can see, friends. Under flight details measures, click cancelled count. Okay, it is loading right now. So under the flight details, so we need to select the under the measures, we need to select the cancelled count. I didn't select, just let me check it. Okay, click cancelled count. So here we need to select the cancelled count. Select. Okay, it has been reflecting right now, cancelled count. So next step, and flight dimension, depart date is click week. Okay, so I am going step by step. So I am selecting here. So under the flights dimensions, so just go to the flights here, just click it here, and here depart date, and under the sorry, yeah, sorry, under the depart date. So here we need to select the week. Okay, so just confirm it again. Okay, click week only, correct. So just click week here, and week is reflecting here, depart week, fine. And next step, within the depart date dimension group, click on the filter button next to the date dimension. So just click the go to the lab here, and here we need to select under this date, we need to select this filter button friends, filter by field. If you are selecting right side, you can see, just click it here and you can see flight depart date. Okay, great. So next is in the filter window, we need to select, we need to type, I mean select this is in the year. We need to select, so here we need to select is in the year, and here we need to update 2004 as per our document. So 2004 I have given, and click run right now. Just click run. It is running right now. Then next step is click on the arrow next to the visualization to expand the window. Once the window has expanded, you can hover your cursor over the icons to identify the available options. Okay, we can do that one. So you can see it friends now. Flight depart week it came right now. So you can see. I think there are 500 rows it will come. Okay, fine. So next what we need to do means we need to select this drop down visualization, and you can see this I think it is in line graph only. Okay, fine. So next we need to change the visualization type to line. Okay, fine. So I think it is already in line only. Okay, no problem. Okay, next what we need to do, click on the settings gear for visualization. Okay, fine. So here we need to select this drop down. I'm sorry. So we need to select, yeah, we need to click it settings, and here next step is we need to click edit series. So just click series, and next is colors collection. Select your choice of the theme color. So we can select whatever color you want, you can select whatever. So I am selecting this breeze something. Okay, oh it's not color good. Okay, short line it's fine. Okay, so next what I am going to do means under the point style we need to click outline. So here just scroll down little bit. Here we have the point style, just select outline here. Okay, now it is changing something, right? Some outline. Okay, then navigate to Y menu of the visualization setting pan, scroll down to the bottom and click on the add reference line button, and ensure that the type is set to line and that the value is set to average mean. Okay, fine. So now we need to click this Y axis and just scroll down little bit, and here if you are seeing under the reference line we have this add reference line. Just click it here. So you need to check it, the type should be line and value should be average mean. Okay, so it's correct only, and click on the gear icon visualization to close the settings. Now I am going to close the settings again. I have closed it, I have clicked it, it has been gone. Okay, we have closed the visualization. Click on the settings gear icon next to run and select save as look. Okay, fine. So before doing that I am copying this friends, cancelled fight count, the name, title name. So we need to go to here, and after the run here we have the settings option. Just click it, and here we need to click this save as look, and I am giving the name as cancelled flight count by week in 2004. Okay, so just click save now. So just click save now. We have successfully done our first look, so you can see like this only. Okay, so visualization it will be like that only friends. So January, February, March, like December month, and you can see the cancelled count to 2500, 5000, 7500. So if you want the table, you can see the table visualization. It is I think bar, column and bar, something like that. You can see whatever you can see, line and area, and pie we don't have map. Okay, so in these three dots if you want some other also you can select it here also. So box funnel, so it is not available for this, so that's what. Okay, fine. So you can see it friends. So I am going with the line here. So just a line here, and check my progress, we have done correctly or not. Let's see. Yeah, we have done correctly. So next is working with the filters. So in this section we are going to create a table visualization that shows the count of long flights and the total distance flown by carrier, but only for carriers with a percentage of flights less than or equal to 25%. We are going to see. Okay, in the looker navigation menu click explore. So go here and just select it here. Just select it this looker symbol, and just select it explore again, and we need to follow the steps. FAA, click flights. So under select this FAA, and here select flights, and next step is under flights measures, click count long flight. Okay, so we need to go to the flights. All right, so go to the flights measures and count long flight measures count long flights. Where is that? Count long flight. Okay, so it came now, count long flight. So for example, if you have selected wrongly, friends, so how can remove means just select one more time, it will be gone. Okay, so okay, that's for understanding. I told count long flight, I have selected it now. So then flight measures, click total distance. Next is total distance, we need to select the total distance here. So total distance it is reflecting right now. And next careers dimension, click name. So just scroll up little bit, here we have the careers and here dimension, so just select name. So career name it is reflecting right now. And next one is under flights measure, click on the flight button next to the percentage long flights measure. Okay, so go to the flights, and here we need to select the percentage long flights, right? Percentage long flights we need to select. So here what we need to select means percentage long flights, we need to select the filter by field. Just select the filter by field, it will be coming here, percentage long flights. Okay, great. So next is in the filter window, set the filter is less than or equal to 25.25. okay, is less than or equal to 0.25. so here they have given 0.25, just enter the 0.25. okay, now we have done this. And next we need to click run. Just click run, it is running right now. Then click the arrow next to visualization to expand the window. Once the visualization window has expanded, we can hover our cursor over the icons to identify the available options. Okay, fine. So next is change the visualization type to table. So now what I'm going to do means, you can see it, friends. Now the results is coming, Delta Airlines, Alto Airlines, like that you will be getting. This is a career name and flights count long flight and flight total distance, you can see. Now visualization, just select it here. And we need to go to the we need to select the table. So just select table. So whatever we can select it, friends, just for our reference. So I'm selecting as table. And next one is then click on the settings, the icon visualization. So here we need to select here, just select the settings here. And we need to select the pilot. And here I am changing the theme color, whatever the color you can change it, I'm changing as a gray color. And here show row numbers, so just I'm going to off this. Okay, I'm going to off this. And yes, we have done this. And click on the gear icon for visualization to close the settings. So I'm going to close the settings, just close it again. Yeah, I have closed it. And now click on the settings gear icon next to run and select the save as look. Fine. So before that I'm going to copy this title name. So I'm going to save as look. So here we have settings. So already we have done the process the same only, friends. So here just select it, save as look. And here we need to give the, sorry, I have copy pasted wrongly. So let me select from here. Okay, so just put it here. And again we need to click save. Click save, that's it. So we have done the so we have successfully created the second look also. So you can see it now. Now visualization I am seeing, so it is looks like correctly only, friends. Now I'm going to check my progress whether it is correct or not. Okay, assessment completed. Yeah, fine, friends, we have done that. Second working with filters we have done. So second last one is add looks to a dashboard. So in this in this section we are going to add our newly created looks to a dashboard and visualize them side by side. Okay, fine. So looker navigation menu, click browse. So go to that here looker. And here we need to click actually what we need to do means this step you can omit, friends, because click browse it is not coming. So select developers folder, you should see the looks you just created, cancel flight. So developer folder also it is not coming, you can check it wherever. So but under the folders you can go to the share folder, no, people, yes, under the people, see friends, under folders we need to select. After that we need to select the people. So here we have the developer student. So we need to select the developer student. Then you can see the cancelled flight count by week in 2004, total distance and long flight count by career. So don't follow these steps because developer folder it's not available, and browse also it's not available. So directly you can go to that folders, and under the my folder we have the people. After that, developer student, select this one. This is correct only, friends. Okay. And next, click the cancelled flight count by week in 2004. Okay, next I'm going to, what I'm going to do means I'm going to click this cancelled that one, and next one, click on the settings gear icon, select save to dashboard. Okay, fine. So what I'm going to do, just wait and watch. So here you can see the graph. You can see this graph. I think it's a line graph, I guess. Okay, so likewise you can see it's a cancelled account and January December month. And what we need to do means next is we need to save to dashboard, right? So we need to go here settings, and here we need to select save to dashboard, and here we need to select new dashboard. We need to click new dashboard here. Just click new dashboard, and here we need to update the name flights data. Just click OK. Okay, so flights data, it came right now. Here you can see, friends, enter the title of the new dashboard, flights data. We have done it already. So then click add look to a dashboard. So what I need to do means, now I am going to click add look to a dashboard. So why we are doing means, we will now repeat the same process for the second look we created. Okay, so navigate back to the developer folder. Now again we need to do the same, so you can see it right now. So again I need to click this developer student, and here we need to select the total distance and long flight. So same process we need to do it again, and again I am going to, okay, fine. So now what we need to do means, you can see this chart, I think so, visualization, and now save to dashboard. Okay, just select it, settings, save to dashboard, and here what we need to do means, we need to select this flights data we need to select, and again we need to click add look to dashboard. Okay, fine. So again what we need to add look to dashboard, we need to select it, friends. So we have done it, and next step, add look dashboard, we have done it. Navigate, now we have added both looks to our new dashboard. We can view it now. Okay, so final stage we came from, navigate back to the developers folder. So just go to the developer student. So here we have like this, right? So next what we need to, under the dashboard, select flights data. So okay, fine, we can play around with our interactive looks inside our newly created dashboard. So now what I'm going to do means, I'm going to click this flights data. So now you can see, friends, output came now, cancelled flight count by week in 2004, total distance and long flight count by career. So it's showing like under the developer students. Fine, now we have successfully done. Now we can play around with our interactive looks inside our newly created dashboard, friends. So I'm going to check my progress. Yes, we have done correctly. In this demo, we have learned how to work with dimensions and filters to select and filter data, create visualization based on sorted and filter data, save looks and add looks to a dashboard. And one more thing, friends, I forgot to say, this is free only. You can try with your Qwiklabs link. So I have pasted the link in here in the description. Also I will paste it here in PPT. Also slide also I have given, and no need to use the Google Cloud platform free tier or premium account. Directly you can log in with your Gmail account directly, and you can start the lab and you can do these things, friends. Thank you so much, friends. And if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.